In this video, you'll learn how to attach files in ClickUp so your tasks stay organized and all your important documents are stored in one place. We'll go through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, even if you're brand new to ClickUp. First, start by opening the specific task where you want to attach a file. You can do this from any view where tasks are visible, like list view, board view, or even from your notifications. Just click on the task name to open the task window or panel. Once the task is open, you'll see different sections such as the task title, assignees, due dates, description, comments, and more. Now scroll down toward the bottom of the task. Take your time here because the attachments area is usually below the main description and comments. As you scroll, you're looking for the section labeled Attachments. This section is dedicated to any files, images, or documents linked to that specific task, and it's where everything you upload will live. When you reach the attachment section, you'll see options for adding new files. Look for the upload icon, which may appear as underlined text, or find the plus button, usually shown as a small plus symbol. Both of these options let you start the process of adding a file. You can click either one, they lead you to the same set of choices. After you click the upload icon or the plus button, a small menu will appear. From that menu, select Upload File. This tells ClickUp that you want to choose a file directly from your computer rather than linking something from another source. When you choose Upload File, your computer's file browser will open. Now you can navigate through your folders and find the file you want to attach. This might be a PDF, an image, a document, a spreadsheet, or another supported file type. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct version, especially if you have multiple similar files. Once you've found the right one, click it to highlight it, and then confirm your selection by clicking Open in your file browser. ClickUp will begin uploading the file to the task. The upload time depends on the size of the file and your internet connection, so larger files may take a bit longer. You'll usually see some indication that the file is being uploaded, and when it's done, it will appear in the attachment section of the task. After the upload completes, you'll see the file listed there, often with a thumbnail, file name, and size. From this area, you can usually click the file to open or preview it, download it, or manage it further depending on your permissions and workspace settings. It's a good habit to quickly open the newly attached file once to confirm that it uploaded correctly and that it's the one you intended to add, and that's all you need to do. By opening the task, scrolling down to the attachment section, clicking the upload or plus button, and choosing Upload File from your computer, you can keep all your relevant documents right inside your ClickUp tasks, making collaboration and tracking much easier.